DEKS brings you DEKTITE Retrofit, an EPDM flash designed to seal pipes, vents, or existing installations where it is not possible to slide the flashing down the pipe, as in a new installation. One of the advantages of DEKTITE Retrofit, like all the other DEKS products, is that it requires few tools for its installation: tinsmith scissors, a marker, self-tapping screws, pliers, an electric screwdriver, and any neutral silicone or polyurethane sealer. The first step is to determine the diameter of the pipe that will be flashed. Cut it in the proper size with the tinsmith scissors. Rub the pipe with the top end of the retrofit. Tighten the clip at the top and bottom of the unit. With the pliers, close and tighten the rest of the clips, and then slide it down the pipe to the final position. Ensure that all the clips are tight. Line up the flash drainages downwards to facilitate the exit of water. Shape softly the base of the flash following the surface of the roof. Draw the flash silhouette with a marker. Apply the sealer in the inside of the silhouette. Push the flash down to the final position. Secure the retrofit unit by using the self-tapping screws every 4 cm or so. Apply sealer at the top end of the unit, as well as any other area with potential for leaks. The installation is ready. You can now observe how the water flows around the DEKTITE Retrofit with not a drop of water leaking through. The Retrofit is a product easy to install, can be painted with acrylic painting, and holds a 20-year warranty. Do not hesitate to contact your nearest authorized distributor to source what you need. There is a product for all kinds of applications.